Welcome to our WordPress tutorial series. In this video, we will be focusing on the basics of blogs, websites, and e-commerce stores. Have you ever wondered what makes each of these unique? How they differ from one another? Today, we will provide you with all the answers. So, let's dive in. Understanding the basics: what is a blog, website, and e-commerce store in WordPress? With the ever-growing popularity of WordPress, it's essential to grasp the foundations of its key components. Blogs, websites, and e-commerce stores are commonly associated with WordPress, but what are the differences and similarities between these terms? Let's start with blogs. A blog is an online platform where individuals or organizations can regularly publish articles or posts to share their thoughts, expertise, or news with their readers. Blogs often have a chronological order, with the newest content appearing first. They can cover various topics, including fashion, travel, technology, and personal experiences. On the other hand, a website is a broader term that encompasses different types of online platforms. Unlike blogs, websites aren't limited to a specific publishing format or chronology. They can include static pages like About Us, services, and contact, as well as dynamic elements or interactive features. Websites can serve various purposes, such as providing information, promoting a business, or offering services. Moving on, an e-commerce store is a specialized type of website that focuses on selling products or services online. These stores have features like shopping carts, product listings, secure payment gateways, and order management systems. E-commerce stores allow businesses to reach customers globally and facilitate secure online transactions. Now, here's the interesting part. WordPress can power all three: blogs, websites, and e-commerce stores. It is a popular content management system that provides users with an intuitive interface to create and manage their online presence. WordPress offers a wide range of themes, plugins, and customization options to cater to the unique requirements of each type of online platform. Whether you're a passionate blogger, a small business owner, or a large enterprise, WordPress can be tailored to suit your needs. It's flexible, user-friendly, and offers extensive support from its vibrant community. By leveraging the power of WordPress, you can build and manage your blogs, websites, and e-commerce stores efficiently. In summary, blogs focus on regular content publication, websites encompass diverse online platforms, and e-commerce stores specialize in online sales. Meanwhile, WordPress stands as the versatile platform that can power all of these online entities. We hope you found this video insightful in understanding the basics of blogs, websites, and e-commerce stores in WordPress. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more WordPress tutorials and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates. Thank you for watching.